Bay. We're slanging rich and Ace don't even know what cats say. '06, I remember back in that day. A rubber band around a broken CD player slapping Mac Dre. And back then it was Jabos wearing bigger clothes. The Bay was popping, keep the sneak, had different flows. But when '07 came to hyphy movements, window closed. Hearts broke, but fuck it, that's the way this business goes. But Uncle 40 Water kept it going. 25 years in the game and he's still making choices. Then I moved to New Orleans where they shucking oysters. Everybody speaking southern voices. Homesick, I felt like this is pointless. Culture shock, like what's going on? Had me feeling like I don't belong. My bro said, look, this music's all that you should focus on. They'll understand you soon, it won't be long. Nobody's perfect, yeah, we act a fool. I'ma keep on running, nothing's new. Guess I'll keep doing what I naturally do. I'll always keep on running back to you. Yeah, they say the more things change, the more they stay the same. So I'ma always play the game. Yeah, so if I lose today, well then I'm not ashamed, cause times are gonna change. Yeah, skipping school, blunts in the parking lot. Back in those days, used to spark a lot. Far-fetched dreams we would talk about. Making it in rap, trying to start a plot, trying to crack the code. How I start gets hot, but from where we